In today's world, we are always online, chatting, posting, studying, and buying things. But along with all these benefits, dangers like scam, hacking, and cyberbullying also exist. That's why the government created the Public Act 10175, the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. This law protects Filipinos from crime committed through computers, smartphones, and the internet. What is R18175? R18175, or Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, is a law that aims to prevent, investigate, and punish online crime. Its goal is to make the digital world safer and more ethical for everyone. Illegal access of hacking into someone else's account or device. Illegal interceptions, spying on private messages or data. Interference, deleting, damaging, or altering files. System interference, disrupting online platforms or networks. Computer-related offense. Computer-related forgery, fake digital documents. Computer-related fraud, online scams, and phishing. Computer-related identify, theft, impersonating another person online. Content-related offense, cybersex, child pornography, cyber-level online defamations, or destroying someone's reputation through posts or comments. Penalties may include imprisonment and fines. fines- Penalties may include imprisonment and fines depending on the severity of the offense. More than just avoiding violations, R18175 reminds us to practice ethical digital responsibility. This includes thinking before posting, respecting others online, protecting personal information, reporting harmful or suspicious online activities, being careful with links, apps, and messages. Be a voice for digital responsibility. Spread, spread cyber ethical and etiquette every time you click, post, and share. Let's work together to build a safer and more ethical digital world. Protect yourself, protect others. Support R18175.